Hello students, good morning. Most welcome to the Rita Das classes. I request all the new viewers to please subscribe my channel. Today I am going to teach you the first poem of class 12. The poem name is My Mother at 66, written by Kamla Das. First of all, we have to know about the poetess. Kamla Das was born in Malabar, Kerala in 1934. She was recognized as one of India's foremost poets. Her works are known for their originality, versatility, and the indigenous flavor of the soil. She had published many novels and short stories. She wrote under the pen name Madhavi Kutti. After the poet, we have to know the introduction to the lesson. My Mother at 66 is written by Kamla Das, who is famous for capturing complexities of human relationships. The poem My Mother at 66 is one of the finest examples of the human bonding, especially that of a mother and a daughter. It described the pain and fear of the poet of losing her mother due to harsh reality of life, which is death. After the introduction of the poem, there is the poem, and in this poem, the poet described about the pain of her by seeing the mother's old age. There are some difficult words are collected by me. The first is sprinting, short, fast race. Van, colorless, pale, light in color or shade. Yards, a unit of linear measure equal to 3 feet. Spilling, cause or allowed to flow over the edge of its container. Corpse, a dead body. Does means sleep lightly. Versatility means ability to adapt. Indigenous means originating or occurring naturally in particular place. Familiar means well known. Ache means a continuous or prolonged dull pain in a part of one body. Here also the poetic devices used are simile, metaphor, repetition and personification. The example of simile in this poem is face, ashen like a corpse, as a late winter's moon. Personification, the example is trees sprinting. Repetition example is smile and smile and smile. Metaphor example is children spelling. After the difficult words, there is title of the poem. The title My Mother at 66 is apt and the perfect as the poem is about the narrator's realizations that time has flown by and old has crept upon her mothers. The poem revolves around the theme of advancing age, the fear associated with it, and loss and separation. After the title, there is the explanation of the poem. Aging is an inescapable phase of every human's life. A person enters their childhood, experiences adolescence, when they are energetic and have so many dreams, finally every person approaches their old age and then they die. Relationships between people become much stronger in every phase of life. No one can't bear the separation from their loved ones just because of aging. Firstly, when the author going to the Cochin airport with her mother, she looked at her carefully and presents before us her image. As she looked at her mother's soft and whitish face, she gets struck with the fear of losing her mother. Her mother, with a sleepy face and open mouth, is comparable to a corpse or dead body. Here, the author shows love and affection in a relationship between a mother and a daughter. The poet is hurt and sad and shifts her attention to the outside of the car. for driving out the undesirable feelings, she changes her bad mood. The scene from the window of the car is of raising life and energy. The fast sprinting green and huge trees alongside the cheerfully playing kids represent life, youth, and vitality. The poet here is remembering about her own childhood. In her childhood, her mother was young and beautiful, whereas now her mother is surrounded by the fear of losing her life, and that made her insecure and sad. After she reaches the airport to take her flight. It shows departure and parting, which makes her sad. As she said goodbye to her mother, the image of the old mother in the dusk of year strikes her. Here again a simile is comparable with her mother with a late night moons of the winters. The light of the moon is obstacled by the fog and haze as the appears older now. The poet is now feeling the pain of getting separated because of leaving her mother. Her childhood fear of losing her loving mother now became so terrifying. Now her mother could die of old age any time. Unexpectedly, she is so sad that she started crying. Slowly, without control but keeping a brave heart, she hid her tears and started smiling. Thus she offered her farewell to her old mother and kept her hope of seeing her mother alive again. She said, "See you soon, Amma." She hid her tears and sorrow as she did not want to make a painful and emotional environment. Moreover, she did not want her mother to cry and showed her that she was enjoying her life. She expected her mother to be happy and enjoy her life just like her. Conclusion, that is the to conclude my mother at 66 summary revolves around the beautiful relationships between the poet and her mother. The summary shows that the theme of the advancing age of the mother of the author and the fear of separation. The apparently short poem touches upon the theme of a beautiful bond between the mother and the daughter. It shows how beautiful a relationship a mother and a daughter can have. After the explanation, we have to know the summary of the lesson. My mother at 66 captures the fear of the narrator of losing her mother due to declining health and loss of energy which accompanies old age. The poet accepted this reality and is disturbed by her mother's need for, for on one hand and her own duties and responsibilities on the other hand. This helplessness is prolongedly brought out in this poem. The emotions experienced by the poet are essentially universal in nature. The fear of losing a loved one is a theme the reader can identify with. From this poem is in the form of a narrative of 14 lines written as a single sentence. This is called a enjambment. The poem is written in a single sentence punctuated by commas that highlights the stream of consciousness effect where one thought leads to another. After the summary, we have to know the message of the poem. Aging is a natural process and it will affect each one of us. The complexity of life is that children are perverted by the condition of their parents and wish to be with them. However, they have to leave their parents behind and move on with their commitments. The question arises how to strike a balance between looking after the aging parents and attending to our duties and responsibilities. After the message, there are some questions answers are written, and dear students, you have to screenshot all the question answers and note down in your copy and just learn about it. After that, there is the conclusion of the poem. In the conclusion, yes, the poet just mentioned about the relationship between the mother and a daughter. But she felt very painful when the when her mother approached to the old age. So she feared the separation of her mother. Thank you.